Hi, fourth graders. This is it. Today is our last day of distance learning. Now, we are ending school a little over a week earlier, which is kind of nice, but we didn't get to end the year together. And that, I just want to say that really, really, really has made me sad because I miss seeing your faces every single day. I miss the fist bumps, the high fives, the elbows. So today is just gonna be my goodbye to you. Okay. We started off the year in September, seems like forever ago. And throughout the year, we really, really came together as an awesome class. And I'm going to remember each and every single one of you. I've loved having you as fourth grade students this year. Our field trips that we got to go on, the games that we played, the jokes that we had. Honestly, those are the things I'm going to remember the most. We're not going to remember all the math lessons or the science experiments, even though they were really cool. Like when we made those rockets and those wind bags, how fun were those? But the things we're going to remember are the things we did together. Okay? I have loved every single minute being your teacher, and I am so sad that we could not end the year together. Okay? But you guys are going to be fifth graders next year, and I am so proud of how you all have worked in fourth grade in the class and with distance learning. I know it's been hard. It's something that we've never ever done before. Okay? It's something that I'm sure we don't want to do forever. Okay, and we won't. We'll get back to school. We'll see each other again. But the next time you see me, you're going to be in fifth grade. And I am so proud of each of you. As you move into fifth grade, okay, you know me. I'm honest. Got to work hard, ask a lot of questions, try your best. But remember to enjoy every single minute because your fifth grade is your last year. Okay? School goes by so fast. All right? Enjoy it. Have fun. Be a good friend. Make good friends. Try things you never thought you would want to try. Meet people you never thought you would meet. Okay, branch out. Do all the things that you want to do. Okay? So, love you guys so much. I am so sad that we're not there together. But this is my hugging arms. Giving everyone a hug. High five, fist bump, elbow. Okay? Have a great summer. If you want, you can email me throughout the summer. You guys know my email address, jdegracie@gsdwi.org. Okay, I can't promise I'll email you right away because summer break for you is also summer break for me. But if you do really cool things, if you get puppies or kitties or any sort of animal that you want to share with me, email me. You might need to give me a few days to respond. Or send those in like the Google chat. I might need a few days to respond. But have a great summer. Do some awesome things. And just know, I'm, again, so sad that we couldn't spend our last days together. But I am so proud of each and every one of you. So proud. I have loved having you in my class. I have loved being your teacher. Thank you for being awesome fourth graders. And this is going to be a year that neither of us, me nor you, will forget. And you know what? I think we rocked it. I think we rocked it really hard. Okay, we all did a great job. But I will see you in fifth grade. And just remember, I love and miss every single one of you. But have a good summer, and I'll see you next year. Bye.